Good morning. Today we are going to see paper 58012 February March 2022 paper 1 mathematics core. Okay, so this is our first question. Write the number 30,050 in figures. So first we will write 30 and 1000, so leave the base, it's 50. So ones, tens, and this is 100, 1000, 10,000, this is 30,000. So here it must be 300, so 30,000 and 50. So write the number to the nearest 10th place. So 5, 9, 2, 6. So ones and 10th, this is our 10th place. So it is 2, but the nearest number is 6, which is higher than 5. So round it off to the nearest number, which is equal to 5930. So the third question, coming to the third question, mark the midpoint of the line ST. So which is the total measure, the total length of the line, it is approximately 9 centimeters. So with your scale, mark the center point as M. That's all. Okay, so now we will go to the fourth question. Shade the square 2 by 9 of this shape. So there are how many squares totally? Totally 36 squares. Okay, so 2 by 9, so 2 by 9 into 36, which is approximately 8. So totally you have to shade 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, this is your answer. 8 squares. Write 2 by 9 as a percentage. It is 4B question. So convert into percentage. We are multiplying it into 100. So which is equal to 200 by 9, which is approximately 22.22. So now coming to the fifth question. A bus runs from 221.50 to the morning 5:18 next day. So calculate the number of hours and minutes. So 2150. So 2150 to morning 5:18, which is how much? So 2150 to morning 4:50. It's approximately 6 hours. Okay, until 4:50. So remaining hours you have to calculate. So which is 10 minutes from there plus 18. This is for the minutes I am calculating. So which is equal to 28 minutes. So approximately 28 minutes and 6 hours. I think I am wrong with this question. Can we do one again? It's 7 hours. I made a wrong. So we will correct it. It's 7 hours. And here too I made a mistake. So it is 7 hours and 28 minutes. Can we do it? Now we will go to the next question, sixth question, which is there are a group of numbers being given. So we have to find out the multiples of 11. So 11 multiples are 11 and the last number should be, here it is 55 and 121. Okay, so Zayed used a method to calculate the multiples of 11. He shows this number, how is the calculation is made, and he finally calculated. So for this number, which is given at the bottom, 9 minus 1 plus 8 minus 2 plus 7 minus 1 plus 9 minus 3 plus 7, which is approximately equal to 33. Okay, so 33, 3 into 11 is 33, again a multiple of 11. The next question, the range of 8 numbers is 31. These are the 7 numbers it is been given here. So find the possible 8th number, 2 possible 8 numbers, 8th number place. Okay, so it should be here, it can be x. So how will you calculate the 8 numbers? So maximum value minus the minimum value, or here is the formula to calculate. Okay, so one method is x. Okay, the last 8th number x, and the range is being given. So x, the smallest number we will take, x minus 16 is equal to 31. So x is equal to 31 plus 16, which is equal to 47. Similarly, the next part, Okay, x, the highest part of the part is 42. So x minus 42, okay, equal to 31. So x equal to 42. Okay, 1 minute please. I will rewrite the question. I made it wrong. Okay, sure. So it is 42 minus x equal to 31. So which is equal to x is equal to 42 minus 31, which is equal to 11. So the bottom number is the lowest possible number may be 11. The highest number may be 47. Okay. So coming to the next question, here 4m plus 7k minus k minus m plus 3k. So bringing the m to one side. So 4m minus 3m is 3m and 7k plus 3k, which is equal to 10k. So your answer is 3m plus 10k. Okay. Now here is now we will go to the 10th question. Here are the numbers, list of numbers being given. From this list of numbers, we have to find out the highest possible from the product of two numbers. So when you multiply two numbers, you should get the highest answer. Here when you multiply two negative numbers, the answer will be in positive. So minus 9, which is the number in lowest, and minus 7, which is the next lowest number. But if you multiply these two, you will get a possible number which is the highest one. You can get it out of this. Okay, and the second number, if you can take the highest also, if you take this one, these two, you will get only 8 into 6, it's 48, it is lower. So that we are taking this part, the lowest possible form from the product of three numbers. So what are the three numbers you are going to take? Lowest possible numbers. How will you take? 1 minute please, am I right? So the lowest numbers how we are going to take is minus 9. Okay, next is we will take the highest two numbers, possible highest numbers, which is 6 and 8. So which is equal to 432, which is negative, which is the lowest part. Okay, so this is the question A. I think I have left one question here. So can I do it now? Please listen. This is root of 5.76, which is, can I do it one more time? So root of 5.76, which is equal to 24.532, and root of 2.8 cube is 2.4. Okay, I done a mistake again back by following the answers wrongly. So root of 5.76 is 2.4, and root 0.8 cube is equal to 21.952. So plus these two numbers, you will get answer equal to 24.352. Am I right? So coming to the next question. Okay, we will go to the next part. Sarah has the, I am coming back to the 11th question. Sarah records the number of people who play golf on each of 14 days. So we will write each numbers and then we write it according to the ascending orders. So here 28, I will write here. 46, it is here, and then 54, okay, then 71, okay, then 70, 65, 49, 50, 64, 77, 68, 72, 45, and 58. Okay, so we will rearrange it now accordingly. All numbers have been written here, so we will rearrange it. It is 28, only one number. For 30 there is no numbers been given. So for 40 it is the lowest number is 5, then 6, then 9, and for 5 it's 0, 4, 8, and for 6 it is 4, 5, and 8, and the last one is 0, 1, 2, and 7. Okay, So next find the median. Okay, find the median. How to calculate the median of this question? Find the median of this question is how to calculate. One minute please, I'll check the question and then come back. So median of the question, how will you find out? It is how many numbers totally they have given? It is 14. Okay, so see here, it is 14 they have given. Okay, it's 14. Listen here, so we will write it. Okay, so 14 divided by 2, which is equal to 7. It is an odd number, so we have to take two numbers into account. Another one is 8th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th. This is our 7th one. Okay, the 7th one is here and the 8th one is here, which is here 58 and 64. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Again, now we have to calculate the median divided by 2, which is equal to 61. Okay, now we will go to the next part. Okay, now we will go to the next part. It is the 12th question now we are going to do. Okay, the 12th question, it is been the diagram shows a cuboid. Okay, so the length of the cuboid is L is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, the width is equal to 4 centimeters and the height is equal to 5 centimeters. Now work out the surface area of the cuboid. So surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 times length into width, okay, plus width into height plus height into length. So 2 times length is 10 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 10. So our total answer would be around 220 centimeter square. Okay, can we go to the B part question? The volume of a cuboid. So volume of the cuboid formula is volume is equal to length times width times height. So which is equal to 10 into 4 into 5, which is equal to 200 centimeter cube. Now the last question, 13th question of this page. There are 20 cars in a car park and 3 of the cars are blue. So first part of the question, James want to draw a pie chart to show the information. Find the angle of the sector for the blue cars in the pie chart. So for a pie chart, it is 360 degree. Okay, so he has to find out total number of cars is 20. So out of the 3 cars is blue. So 3 by 20 into 360. This is the 3 is the number of blue cars and 20 is the total number of cars in the parking and 360 is for the pie chart. 360 degree. Okay, so the answer is 3. The 0 gets cancelled, 2 and this one is 18. So 3 into 18 is 54 degrees. This is the answer. Okay, one of the 20 cars is picked at a random. Find the probability that it is not a blue car. So probability to be blue is 3 out of 20. So probability of not being blue is 1 minus 3 by 20. So it is 17. Okay, 20 minus 3, it is 17 by 20. Okay, so here it is 20 minus 3 divided by 20, which is 17 by 20. Okay, is it clear? So it's the 15th question we are recording. Okay, 15th question, can we see one again? The 15th question is 14th question is there. The 14th question is 3x cube minus 7xy. So we will see which is common. The x is alone common here and numbers are not common. So we will take the x out and the remaining answer is 3x. One x is being taken out, so it's x squared minus 7y. So your answer is x into 3x squared minus 7y. Okay, can we go to the next question? It is 15th question. It's write AB vector as a column vector. So how will you write AB vector as a column vector? How find out the distance from there? From A, it is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 to the left. Okay, 10 left and 1, 2, 3 and 3 upwards. Okay, so it is 10, 3. It's 10, 3. Okay, so it's left, so it is negative. Okay, negative 10, 3. So the 16th question, exchange rates. Please be careful in this question. 1 euro is equal to $1.05. Okay, and 1 rupee is $0.013. Vani exchanges X euros into dollars and she then changes the dollars into 17,850 rupees. So 1 euro is equal to $1.05. Okay, so she exchanges X euros. So it is equal to how many? So X into, cross multiplying these two, X into $1.05. Okay, this is first part. Okay, the second part will be, she then changes the dollars of 17,850 rupees. So 1 rupee equal to $0.013. So she changed how many rupees? 17,850 rupees. Okay, it is 50, 17,000. 1 minute, I will write again. It is 17,000. Some problem has occurred. Can we rewrite again? Yes, 1 minute please. It is 17,850. Okay, to how much dollars she has changed? X into $1.05. Okay, can we do cross multiplication of these two and then we will calculate? Okay, can I erase it one more part so that it will be easy for doing the remaining question? Okay. Okay, we will continue. Okay, so this is the question, lightly confused. So this is the answer. So cross multiplying 17,850 into $0.013 dividing by, which is equal to X into $1.05. Okay, $1.05, so which is equal to 17 into 0.013 is equal to 221, which is equal to X into $1.05. So now to get the answers, divided both sides by 1.05. Okay, here it get cancelled. 22 and 1 divided by 1.05, which is equal to how much you are getting out the answer? Sorry, I made a mistake somewhere. Please once again. 1 minute, I will redo the question. Okay, so 1 euro is equal to, I write from here, sorry, I made a mistake. It's $1.05. Okay, and then so he is exchanging X euros into dollars, so which is equal to X into $1.05. This is one part. Okay, the second part, it changes into rupees. So 1 rupee equal to how much? $0.013. Okay, so it is, she changes how many rupees? 17,850 she gets at the end by changing X in $1.05. Now we have to find out how many dollars. So now cross multiplying these two, 17,850 into 0.013 divided by, okay, let's keep it here. Okay, X into 1.05 and divided by 1.05 as a common factor, you will get value of X there. Okay, after conclusion of the calculation, it is finally are getting 232.05 divided by 1.05. The final answer is 221. Your X answer is 221. Okay, is it clear? Can we go to the next part of the question? It's the 17th question. Y is equal to 2x minus 5 intersects the line y is equal to 3 at a point P. Find the coordinates of the point P. Okay, so how will you find the coordinates of the P? How will you find out? From the question, it's clear that these two lines intersect. So these are same value or equivalent values. So because of that they intersect, they are equal. Therefore we will equate these two answers. 2x minus 5 equal to 3. Okay, therefore 2x equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 2x equal to 8. Therefore finally x equal to 4. Okay, x equal to 4. When you substitute in the equation, y is equal to 2 into 4 minus 5, which is 8 minus 5, which is 3. Therefore y is equal to 3 and x equal to 4. Okay, 4 comma 3. This is the answer for this question. Okay, is it clear? We will take these two equations because they intersect at one point. So we are finding the value of x, and then we are substituting in the equation and getting the value for y. So here is the 18th question. Okay, diagram shows two shapes A and B on the grid. Now we have to find the transformation from A to B. Okay, generally we will transform by keeping the center point at O by using a tracing paper, but here I don't have a tracing paper to trace it. Please be careful by keeping it the center. Okay, trace the diagram, keep the center point at O and then shift it. Automatically it will shift. I think it is shifting in the anti-clockwise direction, so automatically you will get, I think this is the way it is shifting. It is anti-clockwise. When you keep from here, okay, when you keep a line from here and then here, it is automatically 90 degrees. Okay, so it is, we have to write for 3 points, so it is 90 degrees. Okay, anti-clockwise rotation, anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, and third part is center was 0 comma 0. Okay, these are the points you need to remember. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. You have to write all these 3 to get the answers fully. Okay, on the second part of the question B, on the grid draw the image shape A after the reflection in the line x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so x is equal to minus 1 you have to do. So now we will draw a line, x is equal to minus 1. It is here. Okay, it is here, x is equal to minus 1. So from here it is 1, 2. So 1, 2. Okay, here I will mark a point 1, 2. So it is 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so above 1 point on the both sides and then inter 1 and above 1. This is B. Okay, so from here 1, 2, 1. Sorry, one minute. It is, so it is the line. Okay, x is equal to minus 1. One more time I will repeat. So from this 1 square, 2 square. So 1 square, 2 square. We are repeating the diagram. This is the reflection on the line, x is equal to minus 1. Okay, can we go on the next question? This is the 19th question. Now we are going through. Here are two small circles. The diagram shows a small circle which is a radius of 7 centimeter and a larger circle with a radius of r centimeter. The area of the small circle is 16 small circles is same as the area of the one large circle. So area of the small circle, how will you represent? It is area of small circle is pi r square. Okay, and area of the larger circle we will keep it as pi r square, which is larger. So area is the formula. So area of, here is the area of 16 small circles same as the area of one larger circle. So one larger circle pi r square. Okay, pi r square equal to 16 times pi small r square, small circles. So we know what is the radius of small circles. So pi into 7 square, here pi r square. Pi gets cancelled. Okay, so 16 into 7 square, taking r square is equal to 16 into 49. I think it's 49. Okay, I'll write it clearly. It is 49. So taking square root, r is equal to, taking the square root on both the sides. Okay, so it is 4 into 7, it is 28. Okay, can we go to the next question? Up to this is clear. Now the next question, the nth term of the sequence is n square minus 3. So find the first 3 terms of the sequence. So formula for the first sequence of the question, formula for, sorry, little bit trouble. The formula for the sequence of the question is an is equal to n square minus 3. Now we will put a1, first 3 times they are asking, so 1 square minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. a2 is equal to 2 square minus 3, which is equal to 1, and a3 is equal to 3 square minus 3, which is 6. So the answers are, okay, please be clear, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the answer is minus 2, 1 and 6. Okay, can we go to the next question? These are first 5 terms of different sequences. Okay, they find the nth term of the sequence. Now before going to the question, what is the difference between these 3 numbers? Is this even? Check out. I think it is 7. Okay, it is increasing by 7. It is plus 7. Plus 7 is the difference. Okay, plus 7 is the difference. The first number is 2, or a. How will we denote the first number? A, which is equal to 2. The formula for the nth sequence is an. Okay, a little bit above. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have finding the nth sequence. So first number is 2. Okay, the difference is 7. Sorry, the n is n minus 1 into difference is 7. Okay, so 2 plus 7n minus 7, because we are multiplying inside, it is 7n minus 7. Okay, so 2 minus 7 is 7n minus 5. an is equal to 7n minus 5. So this is the answer. Okay, can we go to the next question? Little bit one. This is the next question. Okay, we are coming to the end of the paper. The last 2-3 questions remaining. The length of length of a L meter of a rope is 18.7 meters. Correct to the nearest 10 centimeters. So 10 centimeters, but be careful. Here the answer is, a question is given in meters, but we have to the nearest 10 centimeters. So we will convert these to meters. So 10 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.1 meters, again divided by 2, which is equal to 0.05 meters. Okay, so 18.7 is given. We have to find the 2 limits, upper limit and the lower limit. Okay, so upper limit is plus 4, so 18.7 plus 0.05, and the lower limit is 18.7 minus 0.05, which is equal to 18.65 and 18.75. Sorry, 18.75 and 18.65. So the answer is 18.65 to 18. 1 minute, I'll write it clearly. Okay, it is 18.65. So 18.65 to 18.75. Okay, so here is the question 6.5. Next question 22. 6.5 10 power 19 into n is equal to 5.46 into 10 power 22. Calculate the value of n. Give your answers in the standard form. So our question, how to solve it? We will find the value of n. So keeping the n on one side, therefore 6.5 into 10 power 19 into n, okay, which is equal to 5.46 10 power 23. Divide on both sides by the same number. Okay, 10 power 19 divided by 6.5 10 power 19. Okay, here it get cancelled, so remaining is n alone. Okay, here how after dividing we will get, so which is 5.46 divided by 6.5, which is approximately equal to how much it is? 0.84. Okay, 0.84. Therefore 0.84. Okay, 1 minute, I'll write it clearly. It's 0.84. Okay, 0.84 into 10 power Here top power is 23, the bottom power is 19. So we will subtract, which is approximately equal to 0.84 into 10 power 4. 0.84 into 10 power 4. We will come back to the answer n. So automatically it is 8.4 10 power 3. Okay, this is the final answer for this question. Can we go to the last part of the question? It is 23rd question. Okay, it is 23rd question. Here the two triangles have been given. Okay, H and here H has been given for the bigger triangle and not for the small one. We have to calculate the value of H, and they have said both the triangles are similar. Therefore, we will equate to each other H to there it is 97.5. Okay, here we will eat 118.9 divided by 159.9. Okay, so this is the formula, cross multiplying. How will we do the question? So H is equal to 118.9 into 97.5 divided by 159.9. Okay, so the answer will be, after calculating in the calculator, it is 72.5 centimeters. Okay, is it clear? Simply just we are comparing and then doing the calculations for this question. Okay, what is the next question here? 24th question. 24th question. So without using the calculator, you have to work out the answer. 1 by 4 minus 5 by 6. So 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 5. It's 5 by 4 minus 5 by 6. Okay, 5 by 4 minus 5 by 6. We will make the common LCM, common bottom. So just 5 by 4. Okay, multiply both sides by 6. Up and down. Similarly, here multiply both by 4. We will get a common LCM of 24. Okay, so 30. Top is 30. 5 6 are 30 by 24 minus 5 4 is 20 by 24, which is equal to 10 by 24. After simplification, it is 5 by 12. So the answer is 5 by 12. Show your calculations clearly so that you can get the full marks for this simple question. So here is a tricky question for this last part. The highest common factor of two numbers is 6 and the lowest common factor of two numbers is 90. So both the numbers are greater than 6. We have a formula that we remember, HCF into LCM, okay, is equal to product of numbers. Okay, so we will keep the product of numbers as x and y. Sorry, x and, 1 minute, I'll write it the x clearly. So it's x and y. So HCF is 6 and LCM is 90. So 6 into 90 is equal to x into y. And one more data has been given. Both the numbers are greater than 6. That's the main hint they have given. And multiples of 6 are 12. Above 6 it is 12, 18. Okay, then 24, 30 it goes on. It's all the multiples of 6. So it is a trial and error method I am going to do. So by substituting as 12, you will get, I think it is for 12, for where we will substitute 12 for x is equal to 12. It will be 12 into y, okay, is equal to 6 into 90. So to get the answers of y, we will divide both sides by 12. Okay, it get cancelled. So y is equal to, it is 2 and 2, this is 45. Y is equal to 45. X is equal to 12 we have taken and y is 45. Find the LCM. Okay, 12 comma 45. So we have to divide it by only 3. So this is not 6. Okay, this highest common factor is not 6. It's coming 3. So we will go to the next method. I will erase this part. Okay, we will remove. Okay, I will go to the next substitution. We will take the next number. Okay, 12 we will remove it. I will go to the next number 18. Okay, so I will substitute with color. 12 now 18 into y equal to 6 into 90. So divide by 18 on both sides. Okay, this is cancelled. So y is equal to 6 into 18. This is 3 times. last part I left there, so which is equal to y is equal to okay 30, okay, x equal to 18. So doing the LCM method, okay, 30 and 18, which is by 6, it is 5 and 3. So 6 into 5 into 3, which is equal to 90. Your answer is right. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 18 and y is 30. Okay, this is the answer for the last question. That's all. Sorry, that's all. We completed the paper. We will see with the next paper. Okay, bye.